we are going to see the MOOC platform, the important MOOC platform, SWAYAM. Okay. So I type SWAYAM. Okay, so this is a website. Just a type SWAYAM. So this is a website, swayam.gov.in. Okay. Okay. So about SWAYAM. So SWAYAM is a program initiated by the Government of India and designed to achieve the three cardinal principles of education policy: access, equity, and quality. So the objective of this effort to take the best teaching learning resources to all, including the most disadvantaged. So SWAYAM seeks to bridge the digital divide for students who have hitherto remained untouched by the digital revolution and have not been able to join the mainstream of the knowledge economy. Okay. So how can we register in this platform? Okay. So you click sign in or register. So you can log in using one of your Microsoft account or Google account or Facebook account. So if you are not having these three accounts, then you need to sign up. Okay. So for the sign up, you give the username, then you enter a password, then again enter the password for confirming the password, and enter the email address. So after entering email address, you click the send verification code, then one code will be sent to your email for verification. Okay, after that you press the create button. Okay, so the your account will be created. Okay, so I have already created one account using my Gmail account. So I enter into this platform using my Google my Gmail account. Okay, I click this Google. Okay, so now my email address is here, skpk73. Okay, this is my courses. So I have already joined 4 courses. One is Art of C programming, then Java, Tamil, Python, Advanced C++, then program data science for engineers, programming C++, then programming in Java. So I completed this course programming in Java. I am waiting for the examination. Okay, so this is a programming Java course. This course has 12 weeks, then assignment solution, then we can download videos from here. Okay, then live interactive session. Then this is the result for my preparatory exam. Okay, so you can see your progress using this progress link. Okay, so here so assignment 0 no, assignment 1 I have mark 80. So week 1 quiz 1. Okay, so we will see our result using the progress. Okay, so this is about the course. So this is about the course programming Java. Okay. This is our introduction video. Okay, so if we want to search the course, so you can here explore course. So for example, if you need computer code, then you just type computer. Okay, just type computer. So here all computer related courses will be displayed. Then I click the computer graphics course. For join, so if we are willing to join, then we can press the join button. Okay, here the course will be started 26 July 2001, and the ending date is 17 September 2021. The examination date is 26 September 2001. Enrollment ends 2 August 2021. So this is category computer science and engineering. Okay, so undergraduate level course. Okay, so like that you can search various courses. Okay, so this is a small introduction about SWIAM. Okay, thank you.